First of all, click Text and select Auto Captions by selecting any style. Now, click Text Clip and go to Style. Choose any font here, and now go to Style and click Glow and keep range 75% and intensity 30%. Our text glow is ready. Now, we will add a dark grid wallpaper and fit to screen. Now, drag down and reduce opacity of grid wallpaper. Now use mask feature and select horizontal option. Adjust position and just reduce feather by pulling the arrow upside. Now add a black gradient fade in the bottom of screen, and make it overlay 1 by selecting Layer. Now, we add Overlay. I am add a white icon here, and now adjust the position. And now, we will use Mask feature. In this icon, go to Mask and select Horizontal option. Now drag split line to above icon and add a keyframe. Then add more keyframe and drag split line to below. Add a graph between keyframes, ease out 2. Now, it's look like this. Now, add 2 keyframes to pull up the icon on screen. Adjust the position of icon at second keyframe and add graph between ease out 2, so it will work like this. Now, we will add the same dark grid wallpaper after icon animation and adjust to full screen. Now, we will add arrow animation by green screen video. Just import your arrow video and go to Cutout and select Chroma key to remove green color. Keep intensity 100% and shadow 100%. Now, this arrow is black, so we will convert this into white. Just go to Adjust and keep brightness 100%. And adjust white color and graph like this. Now adjust position of arrow according to you. You can adjust the speed of arrow also, so it will look like this. Remove extra part and now cut the main video after green screen. Then click middle icon and click light effect and select old film effect and keep timing 0.3 seconds. It will look like this. You can add zoom effect by adding 3 keyframes like this. All 3 keyframe is on same position. So just zoom your video on second keyframe so it will work like this. No, we will add a motion background video to show our animation. Just add overlay and fit to screen. Now, just cut your main video before motion background video and click middle icon. Go to camera and select left transition here. So it'll show our motion background like this. Left slide effect. Now, we will add our white icons and arrow animation here. Just import your white icon, adjust the position of icon. Then we add 2 keyframes to animated this icon from up to down. Drag your icon upside on first keyframe, and also add a graph between keyframe, so it'll come on screen like this. Add arrow animation by importing green screen video. Just repeat same process, cutout, chroma key, and adjust brightness 100%, then white color on graph, done. But arrow position is not right. To go to crop and flip this arrow at correct. So now at arrow position like this, starting on main screen and arrow end on out of screen at right side. So it's work like this. Now, we have to slide left the screen with all elements, like motion background, icon, and arrow. So just add 2 keyframes in every overlay. Before a second when our arrow going out of screen. I am adding 2 keyframes in everything at same position. Add like this. And now just drag everything in left side on second keyframe like this. Just drag left every overlay on second keyframe. Keep arrow half on this screen so it'll look like arrow is coming from previous screen. Also add graph between all keyframe for smoothness. Choose ease out 1 graph. So here is the result. Now, we will add one more icon, where our arrow is pointing. Add fade and animation in this icon, so it will come in a cinematic way. Now, we will add straight arrow to upside via green screen, so again repeat same process to make it clear and white. I have done. Now set the position of this arrow like this arrow starting and going upside from out of screen like this. Now, we will repeat same process again. Add 2 keyframes again in every overlay at same position. and just drag every overlay on second keyframe. Downside from out of screen, but don't drag full arrow from out of screen. Keep arrow half on this screen or according to your icon, so it will look like this. Now I'm adding one more icon here, and you can add some text also, like this. I'm adding too little text here, so it'll look like this. Now cut every extra part of all text and all overlays, like this. Now, I will add paper cut effect by green screen video. Just import paper cut green screen video, and click cutout, select chroma key and point green screen, then increase intensity according to image visibility and shadow 100%. Now, paper animation effect is ready. If it's slow, so adjust speed. Here, I'm increasing speed of paper cut so it will be fast and work like this. You can cut main video to give transition, like I'm giving a pull-in effect from camera section just after paper cut on main video, so it will work like this.